What is up, you guys? My name is Andrew and this is Wanna Crypto, your guide in the world of cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more difficult cryptocurrency terms made easy. Coin metrics. Over the past 6 months, only one of 4 bitcoins was active. Only one of the 4 bitcoins, not taking into account the newly named ones, moved between wallets and was stored in them for the last 6 months. The last time Bitcoin reached such low levels of activity in 2015. At the same time, over the last year, about 50% of bitcoins moved, and at the end of 2017, this figure was 60%. Analysts also noted that despite the decrease in daily trading volume by almost 80% compared with the January peak, owners of about 4 billion in bitcoins are changing hands every day. Dapper Labs, people behind the CryptoKitties project, announced it has received 15 million in investments from a number of well-known players, including Google Ventures, Samsung Next and Andreessen Horowitz, as reported by CoinDesk. A new round of funding CryptoKitties is led by the company Vanrock. In addition, the project was invested by persons whose names hadn't been associated with the cryptocurrency industry, the talent search agency William Morris Endeavor and the esports company Axiomatic. Earlier this year, the CryptoKitties attracted investments of 12 million, and now bringing this amount to 27 million, the developers of the collectible game seem to be preparing for a new release. Dieter Shirley, technical director of CryptoKitties and the author of the ERC 721 standard, on which crypto game tokens are being created, refused to disclose all project plans, but confirmed that the company intends to use the received funds to launch a new product, and that in the coming weeks something interesting is awaiting users. Callaghan Innovations, the state agency of New Zealand, which is responsible for working with innovations, has invested 315,000 in the Vimba cryptocurrency platform. Vimba, formerly known as My Crypto Saver and My Bitcoin Saver, offers services for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, as well as a service for accumulating funds. One of the functions of the platform allows users to weekly invest small amounts in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Want some more Ponzi schemes? The Cashbury group of companies ceases to operate that was accused of running a pyramid scheme, and in 100 days created a new giant of the financial and investment industry. The information about that was published on the company's YouTube channel and presented by the head of Cashbury, Artur Vardanyan. Artur informed that Cashbury is just a warm-up before a new company called Global Decentralization Community, GDC. It is planned to spend 100 days on its opening. According to Vardanyan, GDC will be built on the basis of linear and binary marketing. The launch of the company will take place in dozens of countries in the first year. Vardanyan plans to attract 5 million participants to the new project and 30 million in the second year. Cashbury customers will automatically switch to the new GDC platform. The head of Cashbury, which the Central Bank of the Russia Federation has classified as a financial pyramid, also said that the holding includes only 3 companies: the Cashbury platform, the Auction League and Cash Trading. All other firms are lies, Vardanyan added. The head of the Iranian civil defense organization, Gulomreza Jalali, said that cryptocurrency can provide the country with great opportunities at the international level. However, he noted that cryptocurrencies are a double-edged sword because they violate the financial and monetary systems of each country. Gulomreza Jalali also stressed the importance of creating a national digital currency that could be used if necessary. Commenting on the SWIFT system, the general added that Iran intends to reduce its dependence on the United States dollar and replace it with another currency. A venture investor and Bitcoin maximalist Tim Draper explained why he is so confident in the successful future of the first cryptocurrency. At the Crypto Invest Summit in Los Angeles, he said that Bitcoin is not political in nature, unlike fiat money controlled by states. According to Tim, a global and decentralized currency, Bitcoin, will gradually replace the existing 86 trillion of political money. The investor once again confirmed his crypto prediction that Bitcoin will reach 250,000 by 2022. He suggested that in the future Bitcoin will hold a strong position in the top 5 cryptocurrency rating. In addition, Draper noted that the United States Security and Exchange Commission is being torn apart due to its choice of mechanisms and approaches to regulating the crypto industry. Nevertheless, the Commission is aware of the importance of new technologies and the competitiveness of the market, and according to Draper, it is unlikely that this issue will follow in the footsteps of the Chinese regulator. These were the main news of the past week. My name is Andrew from Wanna Crypto. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me something nice in the comments. And see you in the next video. Peace!